everyone, it's Susie. Welcome back. And if you're new, welcome here. It's a different type of video today. I've been nominated by Kristen D of Another Chance Resale to participate in the SARTHS challenge. Okay, that was really hard to say. And the acronym stands for Support a Reseller This Holiday Season. Kristen was nominated by Clarissa from Thriving Thrifters. And what this entails is we choose items from our Poshmark closet and offer them to you at half off. So if you're interested in looking, I'll be showing the items that I have chosen. I chose 10 items from my Poshmark closet, and I'm offering them to you, my subscribers, at half off. So what you do is you can click on the link that I have provided below in the description box. You create a bundle, and in bundles, we can communicate by commenting. You can just enter the word SARTHS, SARTHS, in the bundle screen, and then I will send you an offer for that item at half off, and that's it. So another thing I wanted to talk about is a giveaway. Yeah, a giveaway. So for this fun challenge, I decided to do a giveaway, and all you need to do is 1, subscribe, 2, like this video, and 3, comment below, include the hashtag Beez. I'm going to choose the winner next week, Wednesday, December 29th. I'm going to use the random comment picker. This is not affiliated with YouTube, and we'll see who the lucky winner is. I'm giving away a beautiful SHABLOOL. This video is filled with tongue twisters. It's a sterling silver pearl necklace, and you'll see that in the next screen. So here's the necklace, that SHABLOOL sterling silver pearl necklace. Has a beautiful pendant. There are some stations of pearls and silver beads, and it is really nice. So let's go over the items from my Poshmark closet, and that is next. Okay, first up, we have this coach. It's the Ashley Signature C shoulder bag, I believe, but it's got this royal purple interior. So check it out. Next up, we have this Alexis Bitar statement necklace. It's from the Elements collection. It's got some missing crystal rhinestones, about 1 or 2 from each one of those stations. This necklace retails for $345, but check it out. Here's a Haan patent leather purse in what they call a gunsmoke color. It is called the Anaconda. And I just can't help thinking of that song. Here's a Build-A-Bear Workshop messenger bag. It is in great condition. It's like a heavy nylon, and it's from 2006. And it's got a really cool interior, so check this out. Next up, we have this set of 4 porcelain trinket boxes. They're really ornate and beautiful. You need to check out the link where you can see more photos. You could put your little jewelry pieces in here. Next up, we have a Calvin Klein men's black leather jacket. It's actually new without tag. It's size extra large, and the leather feels like butter. So we have this one. Here's a pair of this buttery soft leather wedge shoes by Bandolino. They're a size 7, and they have this suede floral design in front. Here's some booties, and they are new without tag. They've never been worn, and they have this distressed look, and they're by Sarto. These are a size 7.5. Here we have a Brighton heart charm necklace. One side of the heart says love, the other side says be mine. It has a 17-inch drop, and there's a 2-inch extender. And the last item I wanted to show is this set. It is a by AGB, Buyer, California, and it's a sleeveless top with the its zippers in the back, and it's got these matching tapered pants. They're tapered at the ankles, and they have notches on the side. It's just a really sweet little outfit, and it's a size 10. Well, thank you for watching this video about the Support a Reseller this holiday season challenge, Poshmark sale. I hope you check out the links. I hope you like this video and subscribe and ring the bell and select all notifications so that way you'll be alerted when I post my next new video. I'll include all the links below, so check it all out. Thank you, everyone. Happy holidays.